This mental illness, as I have been saying, it does not know borders. It does not know a religion. It does not know whether you are poor or rich. It is affecting all of us. And what we are doing is trying to bring this sensitization of what the crisis that we are in. In fact, it is actually a pandemic like COVID-19, where it is cross borders, it is everywhere, it is a global phenomenon. And what we are trying to say, it is to bring sensitization so that people do not stigmatize this thing. We start to talk to and demystify the mental health so that anyone who is having mental health can approach someone and have someone to talk, because, and especially currently, if you find somebody who is mentally ill, the stigma around it causes many to close up and families to hide these people. And what we are trying to do is to bring it to the open, just like HIV the other time. Everyone you would not want to associate with somebody with HIV because you thought if they touched you, you'd get it. But mental illness needs to be demystified so that everyone can start to talk about it, and we can start to help our brothers and sisters. It is just an illness like any other. When somebody gets into drugs, even to alcohol, they go there for pleasure, but in time, it becomes an illness, and a disease is a disease. We need just to know if somebody is a drug addict or is addicted to whatever substance. We don't need to judge them. What we need is to see a way of getting them out, and that is what I've been championing, and especially for my boy children.